Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer data from one iPhone to another iPhone without using iCloud, iTunes and without factory reset. So let's get started without wasting any time. To do that you need an app in your phone. So as you can see I have downloaded it in both iPhone. So link will be available in the description. Go to the description and download this app on your both iPhone. So let me show you guys how can you transfer data from one iPhone to another iPhone. Just open the app in your both iPhone. So as you can see, here is the next. Just tap on next on both iPhone and select the Wi-Fi option. Make sure that you have a Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, PR is showing here. So just tap on iPhone and tap on iPhone. So I want to transfer data from this iPhone and want to receive on this iPhone. So simply tap on send data. So it will show the code on the screen. So put here code 5611 and tap on next. So as you can see there are many folder. So if you want to select all the folder you can select from here on the top. So if you want to select anyone from here, so you can select individual folder. As you can see here is the contacts, calendar, photos, all photos and extras. So I want to share first one folder in my this iPhone. So simply tap on next. So as you can see send contacts, and this iPhone is receiving 490 contacts here. So in this way you can transfer data from one iPhone to another iPhone. So if you have any problem let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.